that can send man to the moon, and it was black women that were responsible for men going to the moon.
Sure was.
They I don't care what these people say, they can, but these were people who were trained
Smart
to do certain things. We gave birth to the universe. They keep dumbing us down because we buy into their system of domination. Their water is colder than our water. You have to have your children do that. I'm here to tell you that college admissions and everything else was not gained by people who acquiesced to what they said. It was gained by people who marched, who died, who fought. Now, what they did do is bring in people who were passive. I was listening to something on the radio the other day. In the 1960s, black students at Harvard took over the office of theology in protest for a lack of black professors on the Harvard campus. What they did, they didn't bring in a radical black instructor. They brought in someone to be a professor who had never published or written any book and never did, but it was a black face. Because we didn't understand, black face doesn't mean that person is working in your best interest. And